guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video of Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 3. Today is Friday, December 3rd, and I'm going to Knott's Berry Farm. So if you guys don't know where Knott's Berry Farm is and what it is, it's basically in Buena Park, California, and it's basically an amusement park like Disneyland, except the roller coasters go very high and some are twisty and like go upside down, but there's a lot of fun roller coasters and I love roller coasters, so I'm so excited to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to go to Knott's Berry Farm. Like I said, today's Friday and we're going around 6. Right now it's 4:49. We're going around 6. Very excited to go. I'll take you guys with me on some rides. I'll take a lot of pictures. And that's about it. I'll see you guys a little later. My stomach tickled so much. I think I lost my voice today. I scream too much. It's a problem. On demand. On demand.
언제면 돼 있어?
Yeah, there's. I think there's home alone on demand.
홀로 했어? 홀로에
I was laying down the whole time. Like I had my eyes closed. It felt nice. I thought I was sleeping. It felt very nice. Are we going home, Mama? We're going home. We're going home. We're going home.